And here's to celebrating 10 years to one of the most iconic films in Bollywood. It's a movie that we all love, it's a movie that's relatable, it's a movie that just gives you that feel good vibration.
या सुनो क्या कर रहा है यार? Let's go.
Okay, the well decides.
Arguably the best shot. I think the best way that you can really celebrate and appreciate a film is to rewatch it. And after getting all nostalgic after watching The Table Read on the 10th anniversary of the film, I decided to rewatch the film. While watching the film, I was just thinking to myself, what is it about this film that makes it such an amazing watch? I mean, apart from all the things that went well, like the story, the music, the acting, the cast, the chemistry between the actors, dance, amazing, beautiful locations. Apart from all these things, what is it that makes the movie stand the test of time and makes it relevant to viewers even to this date?
So, you know.
What?
You know.
तू अरेंज मैरिज के लिए गया और रिजेक्ट होके आ गया?
अरे मैंने इंप्रेशन क्रिएट ही नहीं किया तो
नहीं की बातें होती
I
है
didn't want to impress her.
ना कर दी तूने हमारी ग्रुप की
Shut up.
फेल
Please stop it. और तुझे बताने की क्या जरूरत थी यार? What's wrong with her?
एक्चुअली आंटी ने इसको कुछ नहीं बताया. ये इसका नया पैथरा है और तू इस पैथरे का नया शिकार.
Cheers.
I was 13 when I first watched this film, and I rewatched it a few days back at the age of 23. So exactly 10 years apart. And I must say that like watching this film for the first time and for multiple times in between and this last time, it has been a completely different experience altogether. It's like the movie reveals itself more to you as and when you're ready for it. Also, the movie gives me massive positive vibrations as the movie explores themes which are very close to me, like travel, music, self-discovery.
जब जब दर्द का बादल छाया, जब गम का साया लहराया, जब आंसू पलकों तक आया, जब ये तन्हा दिल घबराया. राहिला का बेटा हमने दिल को ये समझाया, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, दुनिया में यूं ही होता है. ये जो गहरे सन्नाटे हैं, वक्त ने सबको ही बांटे हैं. थोड़ा गम है सबका किस्सा, थोड़ी धूप है सबका हिस्सा. आग तेरी बेकार ही नम है, हर पल एक नया मौसम है. क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है.
I love how moments of deep thought and revelation in the film are not presented in a really preachy manner. It's almost implied. It's almost as if the meaning or the message of the film is left to the viewer to uncover for themselves. It's not too much in your face. It's not something that the characters or even the plot pushes too much on the viewer. It's something that you discover, you uncover throughout the film. You don't realize when the film becomes about you and not about the characters on screen. Like that transition, I feel, is very seamless in the movie.
¿Me puedes prestar la moto?
¿Por qué no?
But you're free. You're free, Laila.
I was 16 जब मैंने अपनी पहली डाइव की और उसके बाद मुझे रोकना it was impossible. Diving is something else for me. It's like meditation. इंसान को अपनी एक एक सांस, एक एक पल का एहसास होता है. Just imagine अगर हम अपनी सारी जिंदगी ऐसे जी सकते, be fully alive to each and every moment.
So the film starts off from being about a bachelor's trip to Spain that three friends take, and ends up becoming the most memorable and most life-defining trip that all three of those friends have taken. In the film, their plans change, they have unexpected circumstances, and the destination, often they didn't know where they were leading. So I love how the focus is on the process and the characters don't think too much about the destination or how and when they are going to reach that destination. Also, the plot transitions very seamlessly into the internal journey of these three characters. It's as if the movie is flowing in and out of these two journeys. One is the road trip to Spain, and the other being the personal lives, the lives of these three individuals. So I think that is something which was captured beautifully. And the best part about the film is that you yourself as a viewer are going through a journey throughout the film. That's something which I've experienced. You learn something about yourself as you watch the film, through the shairis in the film, through the music, through the culture, their road trip, through their experiences, and from being able to relate to the characters in the film. I think that is one of the most underrated parts of any film, that the movie becomes appealing to you because you relate to those characters to an extent, and you see yourself in those characters, which makes the movie much more relatable, and the journey as a result much more personal to you. So I think the movie does an amazing job in including the viewer, in making the viewer feel a part of the film.
नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो। तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो। हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो, खोले अपनी बाहें। हर एक पल एक नया समा, देखें ये निगाहें। जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम।